should, ought to, have to. Conversation 1.
Hi, how are you coping?
Not so well. I have a lot of issues to deal with, and I don't have any support.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What kind of issues are you facing?
Well, I have to pay a huge debt by tomorrow. I have to find a new job for next year. And I have to fix my car before it breaks down.
Oh no, that sounds awful. You ought to talk to someone and get some help.
I can't, I have to handle everything myself.
Come on, you're not alone. You should reach out and do what you can. You don't have to do everything by yourself.
Easy for you to say, you're always so caring and supportive. You ought to be a therapist or a counselor.
Well, thank you for the compliment, but I'm not perfect either. I have my own struggles and worries. Sometimes I feel insecure too.
Really? Like what?
Well, for example, I have to go to a reunion today and I hate it. I'm afraid of judgment and gossip and comparison.
Oh, that's not a big deal. You ought to be proud and go anyway. It's good for your self-esteem and it won't be that bad.
See, now you're the one who's giving me advice. Maybe we should comfort each other more often.
Maybe we should.
Conversation 2.
I was thinking we should go on a trip together soon. Maybe to the mountains or the beach. What do you say?
But Dad, I don't think I can go on a trip right now. I have to work a lot these days. My boss is giving me lots of projects and deadlines. I have to finish them on time or I'll get in trouble.
Oh, come on. You work too hard, you should take a break once in a while. You ought to enjoy life more. You have to balance your work and your personal life. Don't let your boss exploit you like that.
Dad, I appreciate your concern, but you don't understand. I have to prove myself at work. I have to impress my boss and my clients. I have to earn more money and get promoted. I should not waste my time on trivial things like trips. I ought to focus on my career and my future.
You're missing the point. Work is not everything. You should not neglect your health and your happiness. You ought to spend more time with your family and friends. You have to relax and have fun sometimes. Life is too short to be stressed all the time.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.